guys, I am so excited. We are in the last 2 days of the 30 days of live. So I have been hopping on every day for the last 30 days, 28 days now, and giving you guys tips and strategies and made you truly think about what you want out of your health. I have given you so many things to really think about and move your goals powerfully forward. And now, with 2 days left, I want to say something that isn't said much in the world. And it's the sentence of, you are worth what you are investing in your health. I'm going to say it one more time for the people in the back. You are worth what you invest in your health, because you are your biggest priority. Moms, you give everything to everyone, to your kids, to your husband, to your spouse, to your friends, to your work, to the kitchen. You give everything to everyone else. You are worth what you invest in your health. One more time for the people in the back. You are worth every single penny, every single dollar, every single amount that you invest in your health. And I say that because money stops us from doing so many things. Money stops us from taking care of ourselves. Money stops us from hiring the coach that we know will make us a meal prep master, love our workouts, prioritize ourselves, and think clearer about who we are. We know that that person is there. It might not be me as a coach, but it might be somebody else. It might be me. You might be looking at everything, watching every single Facebook Live, watching every single replay, and thinking, this is the person I want to work with. This is the person who's going to move me powerfully forward in my healthy lifestyle. But money, whoa. Okay, you just said that you are worth everything that you'll get from working with a coach, everything that you'll get from going to the workshop on Tuesday, March 10th at 10 a.m. or 5:30 p.m. is $10 for that ticket. You want everything that's in there. You want the tips, the strategies, the work to be a meal prep master that's inside that workshop, that's inside my coaching. But money, whoa, you step back. You want it. And I am here to tell you that you are worth it. That you are worth the $10 ticket. You are worth so much more than that $10 ticket. You are priceless. You are breathing. You woke up this morning. You have an opportunity to make a change. I saw a post the other day that said, hey, let's spread gratefulness. What are you grateful for in the world? Just in the world. And mine was that we as humans, we as people in this society have this amazing ability to change our life on its head with one decision. You are one decision away from a completely different life. And you say, Casey, how do you know that? How do you know you're really just one decision away? I made that decision about a month ago. And I make that decision almost daily. But about a month ago, I met a new business coach, and I was really not ready for a new business coach. I wasn't sure. And she looked at me and she said, what do you want? How do you want to move forward? And I answered that. And it was, okay, how are you going to do that? I don't know. Okay, here's your decision. And I made it. And now she's one of the most amazing people in my life. And she's introduced me to more networking people that I love and that I adore. And I am able to show up for you guys because she said that I am worth it. So that I can stand here and say that you are worth it. That you are worth what you invest in your health. Whether it be $10 for this workshop, make that decision and be there. And show up authentically as yourself and say, I am worth this information to change my life. This one decision to change my life, to change my health, to change the way that I look at my food, to not look at my food and be sad because I think I'll gain weight, or I'll feel bloated, or I don't know what to cook tonight. Any of that. You are one decision away from making that change in your life, and I'm telling you exactly what it is. I am telling you exactly what that decision is. It is buying a ticket to this workshop on Tuesday to get all my meal planning tools and strategies to move your life forward, to move your health forward. And if you are waiting for somebody to give you permission, I am here. I am saying you have permission. You have permission to say that you are worth it. Because you are. You're so much worth that $10 ticket. You are so much worth that hour of your time. Because it might mean the decision to the rest of your life. You only have to take it. To get the ticket. Only those who have a ticket will get access to this workshop. What are you waiting for? Nothing. You're waiting for nothing. You have permission. You have the worth. You woke up this morning with the opportunity to change your entire life, to make one decision and change your entire life. That is there for each one of you. It is there for you looking at your phone or your laptop or scrolling Facebook and just seeing me going crazy on this screen. You are worth it. You are worth everything that you invest in your health. Because everything that you invest in your health, you get back 5 times fold, 10 times fold, because you feel amazing. You sleep amazing. You wake up refreshed, knowing that you have that opportunity to make one decision and change your life. You are worth it. You are worth it. Now show me, yourself, the world that you are worth it. Scream it. Share this video so that your friends can know that they are worth it too. I am calling a share tree right now. If you are watching at this point, I want you to hit share right now. And I want you to share this video and share it for your friends so that they know that they're worth it too. And then you're going to hit the link in the comments. It's caseyfitness.com/workshop. You're going to make the one decision to change your life, to get into this workshop, to get all the tools and strategies, to becoming a meal prep master, to see all the things that I post and be able to do it yourself. You are worth that investment. Hit the link, get your ticket. There are 2 times on March 10th that you can be a part of this workshop. 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time and 5:30 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. I am calling you. I am saying, share this to the world to say, I am worth it. And get your ticket now.